Hello everyone, today I would like to share my experience of becoming the 3-3 basketball champion in the under 16 age group of Nakhon Ratchasima province. In competition was held at the basketball court of Sunari University of Technology. I came with 3 teammates, and so there were 4 players in our team. In the first match, we beat the Canberra school team in the group stage. In the second match, we won against Boyai team in the group stage too. Because of this, we became a group champions and moved to semi-final round. In the semi-final round, we played against Non Soong and we won that game. Then we went to the final round. In the final round, we played against Teomanom Nomgrao Nakhon Ratchasima School. It was very good and excited game. And finally, we won the match. We became a champions of the competition, even though we practiced for only 1 week before the competition. Thank you for your attention. Thank you so much.